Hello guys, how are you? I hope everything is all good with you. So let's talk about wet and let's see what's wet has to offer for us. Well, as you know, I'm in a trade and I'm trading wet. Very interestingly, wet to me is still going to make to this level if I'm correcting is right. I know I'm already in a trade. Wet is, as you can see, this is the current resistance the wet is facing. We're trying to close above it. This is where we're trying to close above it. It is trying, failed, trying again, and I want to add more here if it holds. Or if you are a risky trader, you can add more here if it holds this level. This is a good level. I still believe, like, look at this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5x, 5x here. So this level is as strong as this level. So what I'm trying to say is that I still believe wet may more likely hit to the upper channel. This channel probably will be tested. So we can take profit at 3.82, but this level is important. I still think there's a probability there will be another rally to the upside from the wet. So this is what I'm focusing on. So there are few resistance wet is facing. This is the most critical resistance. If it breaks, I think this resistance might not block wet from going up. So it does look like that. But the problem is, why I'm cautious about it, because what I've done is that I have to move my stop loss to the break even where I bought it. I bought it here, and that's my average price. So I have to get my prices, my stop loss above it, so that if the price goes below that, I have I don't want to lose the trade. I want to be at break even. I'll take an re-entry again if I'll get another chance, but I still think that has to cover this area first before any further side. The problem is the BTC is not looking strong anymore, because I think BTC has completed the structure which I've been wanting to see, because this is looking like BTC is not not looking, or if this is the third, this is fourth. So I think the fifth is might turn or might have to come. I still think BTC can test at this range. This area can be tested by BTC. This area, I still think there is a more likely a chance BTC come back here, because yeah, there's probability that we should look for. If you want to try along here, I think this is the range where you can try along. I still think BTC should not go below that, below this level. If it goes, the maximum it can come here. This is the buy zone, I think. If you ask me, that's the buy zone. Yeah, that's the buy zone for BTC. BTC probably come down into that zone. So this is the buy zone. You should put this. This one should be green in color. So this is the buy zone from 12K to 1215, 12,517. This is the buy zone. More likely BTC might push to the downside somewhere here, and then it fills the fifth wave. I still think there is a possibility, and then it will correct. This is where I think most of the coin will go up. I think so. There is a probability that it may come down after that move. So after that move, I still the greatest buy zone will be 10K. Yeah, 10K is the buy zone. Remember that. It is not going to be it might be an election dump or COVID dump or whatever, but this is the buy zone for the long term, because this weekly candle is just too good to be true. This weekly candle above this level is just so beautiful, so beautiful. Never happened before after so many long time. Look at this. Is it this beautiful? Never seen something like this beautiful. So I don't think so. There is a possibility that there is a more, but the buy zone still, I think the 10K and 9K is the buy zone for the long term. So apart from the rest of the coin, I think you should stay with the plan. Do not risk too much. I think there is a possibility of this picking up and we'll see the upper direction. Then maybe we see a one more wave to the downside into this channel. Probably, maybe I'm wrong, but I am trading this. I don't trade this. I look for a long from this region if BTC dumps with it. So just be careful with it. I hope this helps. So BTC and WAX still looking good to me. BTC might drop, but be careful. I hope all is good.